Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today I'm working in the lounge in our home. I'm going to try and transform this area here. So we're going to be doing a little bit of home decor. I've got some DIYs that I want to try out as well. So this should be quite fun. I am a Disney fan, so there may be a little bit of Disney DIYs as well today, along with some normal kind of stuff as well. I'm going to show you this area here. It's kind of a nothing area. It's like a little alcove next to the fireplace. This piece of furniture was gifted to me by my uncle quite some time ago. I really like it. It's a really good quality piece of furniture. I have been thinking about painting it, but I'll talk to you about that a bit later. I'll show you the space and I'll tell you what our ideas are today. So it's this little alcove here, and we've bought some photo shelves from Ikea. I've kind of just rammed all this stuff on it, but obviously it's not styled or anything. So the idea is we've got these photo shelves that we want to put up there. I need to do something with this wire. This wire from the speakers doing my head in. Going to keep the frame. I absolutely love that frame there. And yeah, we're going to put the frame, some things up on the wall and just hopefully make it look a little bit nicer. So we've bought these shelves from Ikea. They're photo shelves. I did use these in a video just last week, I think it was, or the week before, which I will link up below. We used a great big white one in our room and created a wall feature. So we've bought these black ones. What I like about the photos, you've got the free sides, you've got a little ledge so nothing slips off, and you've got a groove in the middle there. These short ones, I think they're 55 centimeters, and I think they were £5 each, which I think is really, really good value. So I'm going to start by working on a couple of DIY pieces for the wall. I've got this frame here. It's like a box type frame that I picked up in Poundland, obviously, for £1. I've removed the glass. I really liked this backing paper on it, but you've got the size of the frame, so I can't use that. But then I remembered I do actually have this paper, which was from a kit last year, so I'm going to use that. I really love the whole stag head thing that's out at the moment, and we became Disney vacation members last year. It's like a timeshare thing for Disney, and our home resort is at Wilderness Lodge, and you've got all the stags and that kind of thing around there. So it really kind of feels like a homely feel for us now, quite a comforting feeling. I went onto Google and I searched for stag head silhouette, and it came up with this clip art. There was loads to choose from, so I've just printed off that. I'm going to fussy cut it, stick it to the back paper, and that's going to be a project. I also picked up this frame in HomeSense at Christmas. Really liked it, didn't have a plan. It's a nice chunky one, and I'm just printing off a frame, a photo now to go in that. It's a 4x4 photo, and that should look really cute. There we go, got the photo in. I've replaced the glass is back in, and I did go with a different paper. I went with the one from this month's kit. I will link up the kit below. It's a bit of a vintage theme this month. Stuck in the stag head, and I'm really pleased with that. Not bad for £1. And this frame was £4.99. Now my next project, I'm going to be covering a tile and using it as a coaster. I've got some Mod Podge, which I sell on my site. I will link that up below. And then I've also got napkins. I've got this one from Ikea, which I think I'm going to use. Did think about using the spotty one as it's very Disney-esque. This is from Waitrose, but I think I'm going to go with this one. It kind of matches the lounge better. Going to start with making sure obviously the tile is clean, which it is, and I'm going to cover the tile in this Mod Podge, which will act as an adhesive. And now very carefully I'm going over with the brush again and the Mod Podge, and this is what will give the napkin the lovely finished feeling. Just go careful that you don't tear it. Next project number 3, I am going to try and cover this clock face with a Magic Kingdom map. This was £1.95 in Ikea. So I've got the map now inside. I used the back of the clock as my guide. I drew it onto card and then cut it down slightly smaller to fit inside, and I've used the Mod Podge to stick the map on. We've now got to find the center to make a hole to be able to fit the clock face through. Next I've got this 85p Ikea frame. I've got this fabric that I bought from eBay and I'm going to pop that inside the frame. That's the cute little frame and I've just secured it all in the back with sticky tape. One other thing I've done, I have used one of the aerial toppers from Disney. It's a spare one. I've taken a skewer, covered it in black marker, popped the Mickey aerial topper on top. Now in the pot here it is actually concrete underneath this plastic thing. It's one of the Ikea fake plants, but in the center there is a bit of space, so I've made a hole with a pair of scissors to push the skewer through, and I think that looks really cute. We've pieced the clock together and that's ticking around nicely. I'm going to leave the plastic cover out. I think I like it as it is. I had this metal basket in the bathroom. I've taken it out, given it a clean up. I've placed it on some books and I've put some of our travel books inside, and I think that's a really nice touch as well. And having the books underneath just gives it a bit of extra height. And there we have it, our finished space. I am so happy with how that looks. It looks so much better. Oh, how long's that taken us? About
5 hours.
Couple of hours.
5.
It's taken us. It looks so cute, and for the first time we've taken our little monorail out of its box. We've already had the Mickey lamp, and we purchased the little White House Lego set actually at the White House in DC. This I've just got at the moment. It's snowy outside. I bought that at Christmas in Aldi for £7.95. I love our lamp. It's got like a faux marble stand. That was £20 from Amazon. I'll link up any of these bits below that I can find online. I purchased the wooden hello on eBay just this week, brand new, £6 packaged, including delivery. The little felt plant I bought in Tiger the other day for £2. There's the stag head I made. And then up here we've got the plant, £4 from Ikea, a mini book that I made in 2012 for our Florida trip. The fabric frame I've just made, and that was a frame, like a scrapbooking frame that I made of Louis absolutely years ago, maybe 10 years ago or something, and I still love it. I'm really pleased. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this come together today. I'm really pleased, and I hope you've enjoyed the DIYs. I forgot to show you the coaster actually. After all that, I didn't need it, but it's come together really nicely, and I've actually popped it under a couple of candles on another table. But I could actually use it for coasters when we've got guests. Sometimes they put coffee there, so I would use it for that, but it's just a really cute DIY. I would like to paint this. I'm thinking like a teal colour, like a dark teal, something like that. If you've got any tips with regards to painting furniture, please let me know. It's a really good quality piece of furniture and I don't want to ruin it, so I'm feeling nervous. I'm thinking of changing the knobs, so if you have any tips, please let me know. I would love to know. I hope you've enjoyed these DIY projects. I have got a similar kind of video coming up very soon. I'm going to be doing some changes in my kitchen, so if you like that kind of thing, if you like all the DIYs, Disney projects, that kind of thing, please do subscribe to my channel. If you've enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. And I almost forget, I have a Disney video going up tomorrow. I think it's an Animal Kingdom one tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that one. Thanks again. Bye.